Small space, big style, shower design ideas for compact bathrooms. In the realm of interior design, efficient use of space is paramount, especially in compact bathrooms where every inch counts. So what are the best shower design ideas for compact bathrooms? For compact bathrooms, consider space-saving shower designs like corner installations, sliding doors, and frameless glass enclosures. Utilize multifunctional fixtures and clever storage solutions to maximize space while maintaining a sleek, modern aesthetic. This article delves into innovative shower design ideas compiled by a shower remodeling company tailored specifically for small bathroom spaces that combine functionality with style. The importance of efficient design in compact bathrooms. Efficient design in compact bathrooms is crucial due to the limited space available. In small bathrooms, every inch counts, and maximizing the utility of the space is essential. Efficient design isn't just about fitting everything you need into a small area. It's about creating a space that feels comfortable, functional, and aesthetically pleasing. One of the main challenges in designing compact bathrooms is ensuring that they don't feel cramped or cluttered. This requires clever use of space-saving fixtures such as corner sinks or toilets, wall-mounted vanities, and showers instead of bathtubs. The use of sliding doors for showers or cabinets can also help save space, as they don't require additional room to swing open. Another important aspect is storage. Efficient bathroom designs incorporate smart storage solutions that minimize clutter. This can include built-in shelves, recessed medicine cabinets, and multifunctional furniture. Keeping the bathroom organized and tidy is easier when everything has a designated place. In summary, efficient design in compact bathrooms is about smart use of space, thoughtful selection of fixtures and features, and an emphasis on creating a visually appealing and functional area. This approach not only addresses the practical needs of the space, but also enhances the overall comfort and experience of using the bathroom. Best shower design ideas for compact bathrooms. When it comes to compact bathrooms, the best shower design ideas focus on maximizing space without sacrificing style. Here are some top ideas. 1. Corner showers. Utilize corner spaces efficiently with a quadrant or neo-angle shower enclosure. These fit neatly into corners, providing a spacious shower experience with a compact footprint. 2. Sliding door enclosures. Sliding doors are ideal for small spaces as they don't require clearance for a door swing. They offer a sleek, modern look and come in various glass finishes for added style. 3. Frameless glass enclosures. A frameless design minimizes visual clutter and makes the bathroom appear larger. Clear glass allows light to flow freely, enhancing the sense of space. 4. Walk-in showers. Eliminating the shower tray and creating a walk-in, barrier-free shower area can make the bathroom feel more spacious. Ensure proper drainage to avoid water spillage. 5. Vertical storage integration. Incorporate shelving or niches into the shower area for toiletries. This utilizes vertical space effectively and keeps essentials within reach. 6. Multifunctional shower panels. Opt for shower panels with integrated features like body jets, handheld showers, and rainfall shower heads. This approach consolidates multiple functions into one space-saving unit. 7. Light and reflective surfaces. Using light-colored tiles and reflective surfaces in and around the shower area can help bounce light around the room, making it feel larger and more open. 8. Bifold doors. If sliding doors are not an option, bifold doors are another space-saving solution. They fold back against the wall, minimizing the space needed. 9. Minimalist design. Keep the design simple and uncluttered. Minimalist fixtures and clear lines can make the bathroom appear less crowded. 10. Tiled shower areas. Fully tiling the shower area, possibly with the same tiles as the rest of the bathroom, can create a seamless look that visually expands the space. These ideas blend functionality and style, proving that even the smallest bathrooms can be transformed into luxurious, spa-like retreats. Tips for choosing the right shower design. Choosing the right design for a compact bathroom requires careful consideration of space, functionality, and aesthetics. Here are some tips to help you make the right decision. Assess your space. Measure your bathroom accurately. Understand the layout, including where the plumbing and electrical outlets are located. This will help determine what type of shower design is feasible. Identify your needs. Consider who will be using the bathroom. Do you need a family-friendly design or something more suited for guests? Think about storage needs, safety features, and ease of cleaning. Maximize space. Look for space-saving solutions like corner showers, sliding doors, or wall-mounted fixtures. A well-designed layout can make a small bathroom feel more spacious and functional. Consider shower type. Decide between a walk-in shower, a shower tub combo, or a standalone shower. Each has its pros and cons in terms of space utilization and functionality. Select appropriate materials. Choose materials that are durable, easy to clean, and suitable for wet areas. Light-colored tiles can make the space feel larger, while glass doors can add a modern touch and open up the room. Think about lighting. Good lighting is crucial in a small bathroom. Consider adding additional lighting in the shower area. Natural light is ideal, so if possible, utilize any existing windows. Opt for a minimalist design. A clutter-free minimalist design can make a small space feel more open. Simple lines, unobtrusive fixtures, and a monochromatic color scheme can help achieve this look. Incorporate storage smartly. Use niches, shelves, or built-in cabinets for storage. This helps keep the area tidy and maximizes usable space. Choose the right colors and textures. Light colors generally make a room feel larger, but adding a few accents can add character. Textured tiles for the shower area can create a focal point without overwhelming the space. Consult with a professional. If possible, get advice from an interior designer or a bathroom renovation specialist. They can offer tailored solutions and creative ideas that you might not have considered. Plan for ventilation and drainage. Ensure your design includes adequate ventilation to prevent mold and proper drainage to avoid water issues. Set a realistic budget. Determine your budget early in the planning process. This will guide your decisions on materials, fixtures, and any structural changes. By considering these factors, you can choose a shower design that not only fits your compact bathroom, but also enhances its functionality and aesthetic appeal. Shower designs. Designing a shower for a compact bathroom presents unique challenges, but also opens up a world of creative possibilities. By choosing the right type of shower, utilizing space-saving techniques, and selecting appropriate materials and colors, even the smallest bathrooms can be transformed into comfortable, stylish, and functional spaces. The key is to balance practicality with aesthetics, ensuring that every element serves a purpose while contributing to the overall appeal of the bathroom. Ultimately, the goal is to create a bathroom that not only meets your needs, but also reflects your style and makes the most of the available space. With careful planning and thoughtful design choices, your compact bathroom shower can become a delightful and efficient aspect of your home.